Hi, this is Rachel Chamness. I'm so excited to invite you to the all-inclusive Smoky Mountain Retreat in July 2022. I'll be bringing forward some beautiful beings that are local in the water. They are water beings of the light. There are river nymphs and creek boogies, small little fae that are so helpful in helping us with a new kind of grounding. And the river nymphs are helping us just break through blocks, really come into our own, learn to really work with our dimensional shifting that we do as lightworkers or as beginner lightworkers. So this retreat's for beginners to advanced, and it's really going to help you reach your destination of what you're trying to manifest in this life and how we are working together as a community. The events in this retreat include guided meditation, light language attunement, liquid Reiki sound healings for clearing and attuning to these beautiful creatures, psychic healing, and guided meditation and more. So check out the schedule below, and I hope to see you there.